Let's take a quick run through basic steps to use Teeinblue. First, import product base, which is a print-on-demand product. Second, create artwork, or a personalizable design. Third, launch campaign, which is a product base with an artwork, to Shopify. And last, manage orders, which contain order designs. First, go to product base page to add a product that you want to sell. You can quickly import a POD product from most popular providers. Let's try importing a product. Then all product data from the provider will be imported and ready to use, such as mockup images, print areas, and variants list. Otherwise, you can set up the product manually. Second step is to create an artwork in Artworks page. Artwork is a design that you want to add personalization. Upload each layers in your design in the artwork editor, or upload a PSD file to create quickly. Then, you can edit a layer to set a personalization option for it. There are many types of personalization you can choose, such as changing clipart images, photo upload, street maps, star maps. Some might need you to prepare options in Assets first, then you can head to Assets menu, where you can store your image options, or map styles, text colors. Those are what you can use in Artworks later. After preparing product base and artwork, you can combine them into a campaign to sell on Shopify. Select a product base and add an artwork to its print areas. You can preview the campaign below and adjust more info if needed. Then launch this campaign to make it a Shopify product and start selling. Lastly, once your orders arrive, they will appear on Orders page, along with all order details and designs. You can then send the orders to integrated providers to fulfill, or export to CSV to manual print. For a high volume of orders, use Bulk Fulfill to manage and send orders in bulk. Remember to connect your print provider's account to be able to send orders. That's all for a quick run. For more detailed instruction, please watch our full tutorial video, or read our knowledge base articles. See you again.